In this video, I will show you how you can get free access to the latest advanced AI image generation using 4O in your free account. I thought that we will not get free access. Just today, we saw this update from Sam Altman. Can you all please chill on image generating? This is insane, and our team needs sleep. So I thought maybe they don't have enough GPUs or computing power to roll out to the free users, but to my surprise, while I was just playing with ChatGPT today, I found that we have access. See, earlier it used to show like dalle something. Now it's showing like create image and visualize ideas and concept and showing updated. So if I just click on create image of an artist drawing on a big canvas with the bold colorful text, ChatGPT advanced AI image generation is now free for all users. The focus should be on the drawing board and should be optimized for a YouTube thumbnail. If you are seeing this getting started, that means you have access to the latest image generation tools. And if it's loading slowly like this, that means you are using the latest version. This image generator is a bit slow, mainly because this feature is new and they are running low on like their computing power. Those are the two reasons why. Hopefully they will improve this when they get more power. So as you can see, that's how now we can generate a text like this. Can you make it look realistic? And can you give a 3D effect? So they have a rate limit in place. We can only generate one image. After that generation, we'll have to like wait 2 minutes for the next generation. So it looks like we have to wait a lot now. So now the rate limits shows that I need to wait 31 minutes. So as you can see, even they are not sure about the rate limits. Anyway, we have access to this new feature and you all can play with this new image generation feature here. I hope this video was helpful. Try this out and please share your experience, and thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.
Like, share, subscribe.